BTS has recently announced an item for collectors, but the unexpectedly high price is leaving even the most hardcore fans wondering if this is something they should pass on buying. Previously, two versions of BTS's Proof album were released in June of 2022. The compact edition is $22.90 on Weverson, includes 3 CDs, a booklet, photo card, postcard, mini poster and discography guide. For ARMY who love to collect, the standard edition is $69.90 and includes the same contents as the compact edition, plus more photo books. However, Riot Music's recent announcement of the collector's edition features even more goodies, but comes with an even higher price. The album features new and different contents, including 7 premium photos, 1 poster, 1 book, 7 Arkansas cards, 7 3D cards, 7 photo cards, version A, 7 photo cards, version B, and a user guide. Depending on your location, the album's price varies. Prices at $220 United States dollars in Korea. It costs $275 in the USA, and that doesn't even include the $114 shipping, making the total price almost $400. Because of this, many fans have decided to boycott the album. Previously, fans became upset when Hype made J-Hope's Jack in the Box album an almost entirely digital release in the name of making environmentally friendly decisions. Fans have described the company's actions as hypocritical and unethical as they continue to release overpriced goods in the name of becoming a collector and profiting off of fans' loyalty dedication. Various posts of the album's details have gained thousands of comments on Korean forums, where netizens are in awe of the insane retail price. 200 They're bullshitting. Even for Proof, they only had 3 new songs in it. Hype is going nuts. I'm an ARMY and they've really lost it. I've always loved BTS, but the company is always bullshitting. This is literally just a remake album. Why is there a need to make it that expensive? We need to spend that much just to have randomized photo cards. Wow, this is severe. Hype, we know too well how you guys are viewing ARMY, but this is just shocking and infuriating. Looking at the way they treat us is just sad.